there's a book that you mentioned about what is it, your 50 loyal customers or your 100 loyal customers. It's about building your core base. Can you tell me a little bit more about that concept? Because it's something that you've always been so hyper specific and even internal. The way that you treat the core base of people, it's you cast a very narrow net, but you go deep into
Yeah.
your interactions there. So tell me a little bit about the importance of going a bit more deep into your customer base as opposed to casting a wider net.
100%. I think there's a book called The 1000 True Fans as well, which is good. If you can focus on the foul, even
That's
less.
the one.
Good. Yeah, I think the main thing for me in that regard is like, I'm a human being and I'm selling to another human being. And because in between I'm building a brand that resonates with, doesn't mean we need to speak in this weird language. I like become friends in a sense with my loyal customers. Like one loyal customer from Netherlands, right? He says buy loads of stuff. And I said always, add bonuses. And he was in London at one point and I said, mate, let me come and meet you. And he was with his girlfriend and we went for food and I bought him a burger and all that and started chatting with him. And like that level, and I think Gary Vee kind of says about this stuff. He has that story where he drove like,
the wine.
Yeah, the wine 6
Yeah.
hours. So I've got a lot of people in my head that I know who are top customers. They know me as a person. And you just learn from them. They tell you the truth about stuff. They're like, mate, do that again. I don't know, that wasn't good. And it's hard to get real feedback like that as well. And I think if you can focus on that instead of, like with our Turtle membership, we say one day at a time, and we stop. When people start a fitness journey, they think I've got to lose 100 pounds. And it's huge in a head like that. 100 pounds too long. Charlie, you've lost about 250 pounds. But, if you break down building a brand to single or double digit numbers first, it's less overwhelming. Okay, can I find 10 people? That's it. Start there, 10 people.